Hello YouTube again, how we doing? Right, I thought let's carry on with some small stuff and then we'll work up to the bigger stuff later on. So, that in mind, I thought let's make an S-hook. I'm going to make it out of round stock, mild steel again, 6mm thick, 6 inches long. Yeah, small little thing. I might even hammer this square in the centre to put a nice little twist in, and I'll show you what I'll do with that. But we'll make the basic shape and then I'll show you the twist. Okay, cool, let's do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to taper it down to a point on each end, round it up, and then send it over the horn to make the hook shape. With a nice little curve on the other end, I think, yeah. So let's tape this down. I've tapered the day down, I've rounded it up, I put a nice little curl on the end, and then opposite wise I'm going to put the hook on. You'll see the end result. So, there's the hook on one end. I've squared off the centre piece so I can put the twist in later, but I'll work on the other end now in the opposite way. So that's to a nice point. I'm going to round it off and then put the scroll on. Scroll? The hook on. Scroll it round, yeah. I'm going to turn you to face the vise so you can see me twisting it. So in the vise it goes. And do this with the tongs because it's only small. Put a nice twist in it. Make sure it's nice and straight. Turn it back to the anvil. Might have to flatten it out with a wooden mallet, but apart from that, we're looking alright. Yeah, we're getting there. Quite nice. And there we have a simple little S-hook with a nice scroll in the centre. Yeah, S-hook. Thanks for watching. See you again.